Yeah, we're at McCaskey Creek now. First night, just got back up here after a bad day. We're having a 40 to 60 mile an hour windstorm. 2 or 3 big trees have just come crashing down, but nothing's fell on me so far. Trees are about half sideways overhead. Real windy. Probably got at least 40 mile an hour wind, you know now. Gusting to 50 probably. Really roaring back in there again. Trees over across the lake bent over pretty good. Look at these, they're bent over a little bit. Getting all the sand off the beach. Nothing of mine is blown away yet. Probably a 60 mile an hour wind gust over there across the lake right there. It's probably about 50, 55 on this wind, and pine burrs are falling everywhere. Yeah, this wind is pretty crazy. Ah, I got a clue. Woo! Sand right in my face. Saying there was a severe thunderstorm, but it was for Floyd and not Bartow. Yeah, them trees bent way over there. There comes that sand again, blowing right out of the swimming area. Yeah, I mean, you can still hear that wind roaring over there. Frontal cloud that just passed us. Woo, man, that sand. If you look, you can see the trees really moving over across the lake. I think, yeah, it's dying down some. It ain't quite as much as it was. Saying them trees still moving pretty good. I pulled his boat out real windy when he came in, and yeah, it went to thunder. Woo, that went some wet sand. West wind's getting bad again. That's right over my campsite there, this wind. Yeah, look at them trees. Man, them trees going crazy. Starting to rain now. Here comes the rain.